friends, this is Riya and welcome to my channel. It's Raksha Bandhan. So I thought, why don't I show you how to get ready for Raksha Bandhan. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to prime my face with this Mars Silky Feel face primer. It's a primer spray and I'm just going to shake it well and just apply it like this. Now let me first try my hair before starting my makeup. Yeah. Now I'm going to start with this Pond's BB cream. It is shade 01 original. It will provide me natural finish on my face, natural glow. I'm just applying it in a dot pattern on my face. On my neck too. Now I'm going to use this Damn Beauty Blender on my face. Just like this. I'm just dabbing it on my whole face. I'm not dragging it at all. And I'm doing it very smoothly. A little bit on my ears too. Now I'm going to again apply it with the help of my finger on my eyelids. So it will work just like a concealer on my eyelids. Now I'm just going to fill my brows. Firstly, I'm just combing it with the help of the brush on its cap. Now I'm just going to fill my brows. Now it's time to set my face with the help of a compact, and here I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Super Fresh compact, and I'm going to use this powder brush. So I'm going to use this Maybelline New York the Blush Nudes eyeshadow palette, and I just love the shades. These are so beautiful, right? Here I'm going to apply this shade as a base shade on my eyelids. Now I'm going to use this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, and from here I'm going to use this shade. Just here. Now with the help of another brush, I'm just going to merge these both shades. It's done now. Now I'm just going to use this shade on above my eyelid just with the help of finger. I'm just applying it here. Now I'm going to apply kajal, and it is Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal. It's super black kajal, and I'm going to use this. Now it's time to apply eyeliner, and here I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Colossal eyeliner. Now again coming back to this Maybelline New York Blush Nude eyeshadow palette, I'm again going to take this shade which I used earlier, just here. Now it's turn to apply blusher, and here again I'm going to use this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this shade as a blusher. Now it's time to apply the highlighter, and for this I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty. I don't know it's visible to you or not. It's Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter, and here I'm going to use this shade. I'm just highlighting my brows, and now I'm going to highlight my T-zone area. Now with the help of a brush, I'm going to apply this shade on my cheekbones, just to highlight them. Will give a 3D dimension to my face and highlight all my T-zone areas. Now I'm going to use this Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. Now I'm going to apply lipstick, and it's Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick, and it's in the shade Crimson Q. It's done now. Now I'm going to set my makeup with the help of a makeup setting spray, and here I'm going to use this Mars All Day Makeup Setting Spray. One more thing. And now I'm ready with my final look.